हेलो व्यूअर, स्वागत है आपका मेरे यूट्यूब चैनल स्टडी विद डॉक्टर पवन ओबराय पर। मैं डॉक्टर पवन ओबराय, हेड ऑफ डिपार्टमेंट फैकल्टी ऑफ कॉमर्स, भगवती कॉलेज मेरठ। व्यूअर्स, आज इस वीडियो में मैं आपसे डिस्कस कर रहा हूँ सीसीएस यूनिवर्सिटी मेरठ का एमकॉम सेकेंड ईयर का क्वेश्चन पेपर, ठीक है, मार्केटिंग मैनेजमेंट का। तो ये प्राइवेट में एक्चुअली जो है एमसीक्यू सीरीज़ में ही होना है। तो काफ़ी बच्चों की डिमांड थी कि सर 2014 का आपने अपलोड कर दिया लेकिन 2020, 19, 18 का नहीं किया। तो मैं एक्चुअली 2014, 15, 16, 17 इस तरीके से चल रहा था। तो कोई नहीं, जैसे जैसे मेरे को अरेंज होते जाएंगे मैं आपसे डिस्कस करता रहूँगा, ठीक है व्यूअर्स। तो उसकी प्लेलिस्ट जो बनी हुई है मार्केटिंग मैनेजमेंट की 16 पेपर की, तो आप प्लेलिस्ट एक्चुअली एक ही है, हिंदी इंग्लिश दोनों में, तो आप उसमें देखिएगा और आपको वहाँ पे और पेपर से मिल जाएंगे। और पूरा का पूरा मैंने एमसीक्यूज़ का जो क्वेश्चन बैंक है वो भी अपलोड कर दिया, लेकिन हिंदी में किया है ना, और इंग्लिश मीडियम में भी कर दिया है, ठीक है। आप अगर उसकी पीडीएफ चाहते हैं तो एक 500 क्वेश्चंस का एमसीक्यूज़ जो है वो आपको दे दिया जाएगा, जो डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में मोबाइल नंबर दे रखा है। आप उस पर मैसेज कर सकते हैं, कॉल कर सकते हैं हम उस पर। 100 रुपये आप अकाउंट में डिपॉजिट करा देंगे तो आपको व्हाट्सएप कर दिया जाएगा, ठीक है, उस स्क्रीनशॉट पर, जो आप स्क्रीनशॉट भेजेंगे कि आपने पेमेंट डिपॉजिट जमा कर दी, ठीक है। और अगर आपको इस वाले के यानी किसी भी ईयर की आपको क्वेश्चन पेपर की पीडीएफ फाइल चाहिए तो आप जो है केवल 10 रुपये पे कर सकते हैं, तो वो पीडीएफ फाइल आपके उस मोबाइल नंबर पर पहुंच जाएगी। मसलन आपको अगर 2014 से 2020 तक के 7 ईयर के आपको क्वेश्चन पेपर चाहिए तो केवल आपको 70 रुपये देने और 700 क्वेश्चन आपको मिल जाएंगे, ठीक है व्यूअर्स। चलिए डिस्कस करते हैं। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, marketing is concerned with all the resources and activities involved in the flow of goods and services from producer to customer. This statement is of option C, B.O. Wheeler. In marketing concept, the achievement of organization goal is accomplished through option B, customer satisfaction. The basic objective of marketing management is to link option C, producer and consumer. Marketing era based on consumer oriented started in A, 1950s. Marketing management includes option D is correct, all of the above, means planning, analyzing and implementation and control. Importance of marketing concept is 4. Option D is correct, all of the above, means consumers, producers and society. For business, marketing is option A, compulsory. Which of the following is not among the 4 P's of marketing mix, है ना। तो ऑप्शन बी जो है वो है आपका प्रोसेस। देखिए, प्रोडक्ट, प्लेस, प्राइस और प्रमोशन है, तो 4 में से 3 तो गिवन ही है, बट जो प्रोसेस है वो नहीं होता है ना, प्रोडक्ट, प्लेस, प्राइस और प्रमोशन। तो इसमें प्रमोशन जो है वो आपका मिसिंग है, तो ऑप्शन बी सही है इसमें कि प्रोसेस 4P का जो एलिमेंट है वो नहीं है। Which one of the following is not a physical distribution function of marketing? C, product planning and development. Who has introduced the concept of marketing mix? B, Neil H. Bolden. Which of the following does affect the marketing mix? Option D, all of the above, means cost of production, quantity of production and market demand. So D, all of the above. Marketing mix does not include, option C is correct, both A and B, means product and price and promotion and physical distribution. So C is correct, both A and B. Marketing segmentation can be done on the basis of D, geographic location. When the company follows one product, one segment principle is called B, undifferentiated marketing. Product differentiation and market segmentation are alternative marketing strategy. This statement is of option C, Wendell R. Smith. Which of the following is a psychographic basis for marketing segmentation. Option D, lifestyle. Demography is the study of human population which represent a market targeting technique. B, market integration. Which of the following is not a user? D, potential user. Which of the following is related to macro environment? ठीक है, आपसे पूछ रहा है रिलेटेड टू, तो मैक्रो एनवायरनमेंट से रिलेटेड है आपका इकोनॉमिक एनवायरनमेंट. ठीक है, बाकी वो जो तीनों है वो एक्चुअली माइक्रो एनवायरनमेंट से रिलेटेड है. फैक्टर्स विच इनडायरेक्टली अफेक्ट द मार्केट ऑपरेशन एबिलिटी of the company are known as. B, controllable factors. The purpose of a company is to create a customer. Who said this? C, Alvin Toffler. Consumer behavior is option D, all of the above, means mental thinking, wide process and uncertain. Consumer behavior is option B, micro in nature. Consumer behavior covers the study of the activities of C, ultimate users. Which of the following is not a psychological factor? A, family income. The factor which influence the individual's behavior as a consumer are option C, both A and B, means cultural and social, and B, personal and psychological. So option C, both A and B. Which of the following is not a buyer's behavior model? D, motivational model. Consumer Protection Act was enforced in option B, 1986. Emotional motives are B, internal motives. The person of the family who senses the need of the purchase known as initiator. Option A, the decision like housing, furniture, outside entertainment, etc., which are taken jointly by husband and wife are option C, synthetic decision. Product line refers to B, group of products that are closely related. Alcohol and cigarettes are the example of option A, pleasing product. Product planning is the starting point for the entire marketing program in a firm. Who said this? Option B, William J. Stanton. Product innovation implies bringing into existence. Option B, new product. The ultimate decision of the product mix depends upon option D, all of the above, means product width, product depth and product consistency. Product mix is of C, three-dimensional. Which of the following is a industrial product? Option D, all of the above, means product equipment, product supplies and production materials. So D, all of the above. Product elimination means option A, the termination of product in product line. A strategy of increasing sales by improving existing products for current market is called A, product development. When the firm seeks to enter with a new product in the new market is called C, diversification. The product term product concept was first used by B, Theodore Levitt. Which of the following is the first step in new product development process? C, creation of new product ideas. Which of the following is a reason of failure of new product? D, all of the above, means inadequate market analysis, cutthroat competition and insufficient marketing efforts. Option D, all of the above. Which of the following is not a stage of product life cycle? Option A, monopoly. In which stage of the following death of a product take place? D, decline. The Agriculture Produces Grading and Marketing Act was enforced in C. 1937. A group of various manufactured products for sale by a manufacturing organization is called A. Product mix. Which of the following is an industrial product? Option D. All of the above. Means materials and parts, capital items and supplies and services. So D is correct. All of the above. The most basic function of branding is option D. All of the above. Means suggestive, attractive and recognizable. A brand that is given legal protection is called A. Trademark. When the same product is offered under different brand name is called A. Multiple brand. Which of the following marks is being used for food items? C. FPO mark. Packaging is in the interest of. तो तीनों ऑप्शन इंक्लूड हैं प्रोड्यूसर, कंज्यूमर एंड मिडिलमैन. डी ऑल ऑफ द अबव. 4. मार्केटिंग लेबलिंग इज ऑप्शन डी कंपल्सरी. द मोस्ट बेसिक फंक्शन ऑफ पैकेजिंग इज टू प्रोवाइड बी. प्रोटेक्शन. Those labels give emphasis to standards or grades is called option D all of the above. Means brands labels, descriptive labels and grade labels. Indian Trademark Act was introduced in which year? Option C 1958. A brand is a option D all of the above. Means symbol, name and words. तीनों हो सकते हैं. A name neither relating to product nor producers is termed as option B arbitrary name. Arbitrary name. The exchange value of a product in its monetary value is called A. Price. Price policy is determined by top management. Which one of the following determines the profitability of a firm? C. Pricing. Price policy should be in the favor of option D all of the above. Consumer, government and producer. Option D all of the above. Which one of the following pricing methods is not based on cost? Option B. Fixed price method. Which of the following pricing policy is based on the break-even analysis? A. Target return pricing policy. Which one of the following is not a promotional pricing policy? Option B. Prestige pricing policy. Which of the following is not an internal factor for price determination? B. Buyer's behavior. A pricing method in which the seller submit sealed or open price proposal for the buyer's consideration known as option C. Bid pricing. Art of translating the value of the product or services into quantitative terms is called A. Pricing. Which of the following is not a function of physical distribution? D. Managing finance. Centralized buying with decentralized selling is a feature of option B. Multiple shops. On the basis of ownership, the retailer may be option C. Both A and B means independent stores and cooperative chains. Which of the following is a land transport? तीनों ही है. रोडवेज भी है, रेलवेज भी है और ट्रेन्स भी है ना. ऑप्शन डी ऑल ऑफ द अबव. A practice of pricing goods in the hand of middleman with the title and control remaining in the hands of the seller is termed as option B. Contingent selling. Middleman when generally handle the goods he sells but does not own them are called option A. Commission merchants. ऑप्शन 78. Which one of the following direct channel is where producer can sell directly to the consumer without the help of intermediaries? B. Through mail order business. Shortest channel of distribution is D. Zero level channel. In ABC analysis of inventory control, the least costly items covered under which category? C category. The communication process of choosing symbols that convey thought is called. Option B, decoding. Under AIDA model, I for interest, D for desire, cover under which stage? Option A, affective stage. Which one of the following is not an element of promotion mix? Distribution. Which of the following is not the characteristic of service? Ownership. Which of the following is a controllable variable for communication? A, consumer taste. POP stands for power of ये एक्चुअली POP गलत टिक लग गया है, पॉइंट ऑफ परचेज होता है ये, ठीक है, ये बी ऑप्शन इसमें सही है, POP मतलब पॉइंट ऑफ परचेज होता है, तो ये सी गलत लग गया इसमें, ठीक है ना, आप उसे करेक्ट कर लीजिएगा. एडवर्टाइजिंग कैन बी डिस्क्राइब्ड एज द आर्ट ऑफ क्रिएटिंग a demand for an article of a service. This statement is of B. C.L. Bowling. Which of the following is not the activity of public relation department? Option D, maintain the created demand. Which of the following media of advertising can maintain secrecy? Option C, mail advertising. Which of the following is the essential element of a good copy of advertising? Option D, all of the above. Attractive, suggestive and sentimental. तीनों ही होने चाहिए. Advertising is not. Option C, interpersonal communication. Marketing research process ends with. Option D, perception of the research report. Marketing research is helpful in. Option C, both A and B, means identification of problem and solution of problem. Which one of the following is the part of marketing research? So option D, all of these, means marketing research, consumer research and motivation research. Which of the following is the form of international marketing? The project export and export of services. Option C, both A and B. If goods are exported using road transport instead of sea or air transport, what is the document called? तो वो डॉक्यूमेंट होगा बिल ऑफ एक्सपोर्ट, ठीक है. मतलब ये जो एक्सपोर्ट यूज़ करते हैं, अगर रोड ट्रांसपोर्ट की जगह सी यानी कि समुद्र के ज़रिए या हवाई जहाज में अगर सामान जाता है तो उस डॉक्यूमेंट को बिल ऑफ एक्सपोर्ट कहते हैं. विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग कैन नॉट इशू द सर्टिफिकेट ऑफ ओरिजिन? ऑप्शन डी, शिपिंग कंपनी. विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज द की पार्टी इन द रिलेशनशिप? Marketing. Option D, all of the above, means suppliers, distributors and customers. Green marketing is a contribution of. Option C, environmentalist. And last question is, in which year the Foreign Trade Development and Regulation Act was passed? Option B, 1992. तो ये व्यूअर्स कभी कभी गलती से टिक भी लग जाता है, तो उसके लिए माफ़ी चाहूँगा. अगर आप अपने आप में श्योर हैं, ठीक है, कि वो आंसर अगर मेरा लगाया हुआ गलत है तो आप अपने आंसर को ही माने, ठीक है. कभी कभी मैं गलती से गलत आंसर भी बताया जाता है, तो उसके लिए माफ़ी चाहूँगा, हो जाती है कभी कभी गलती, ठीक है. तो वीडियो पसंद आई हो तो मेरा चैनल जरूर सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिएगा, स्टडी विद डॉक्टर पवन ओबराय, क्योंकि बहुत से लोगों ने अभी सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है. वो वीडियोस देखते हैं बट सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया। अगर सब्सक्राइब कर लेंगे तो फ़ायदे में रहेंगे आप। बेल आइकन जरूर प्रेस कर लीजिएगा, क्योंकि आजकल डेली मैं कुछ ना कुछ आपको यूनिवर्सिटी की इन्फॉर्मेशन दे रहा हूँ। हो सकता है कोई ऐसी इन्फॉर्मेशन हो जो आप तक ना पहुँच पाए, तो इसलिए बेल आइकन जरूर प्रेस कर लीजिएगा ऑल नोटिफिकेशन के लिए, कि वीडियो अपलोड होते सारी आप तक इन्फॉर्मेशन पहुँच जाए। ठीक है व्यूवर्स, चैनल नेम जरूर याद रखिएगा, स्टडी विद डॉक्टर पवन ओबराय। थैंक यू।